Good evening. Impact Weather Update from the Impact Weather Prediction Center for December 17th, 2020. An active pattern brings heavy rain, mountain snow, and high winds to the west this week. Pacific Northwest, atmospheric rivers continue, causing heavy rainfall and flooding risks. Expect 2 to 4 inches of rain daily Thursday and Friday in western Oregon and Washington. Saturated soils raise flood potential, slight risk for excessive rainfall Thursday. Cascades and Olympics, heavy snow with 1 to 2 feet possible through Wednesday. Northern Rockies, 1 to 3 feet of snow in higher elevations by Thursday. High winds gust 60 to 75 miles per hour in Intermountain West, up to 80 miles per hour locally. Power outages and tree damage possible. Secure loose items now. Northern Plains, blowing snow and whiteouts Thursday from strong winds. Ohio and Tennessee valleys, marginal severe risk Thursday with strong storms. Damaging wind gusts possible. Stay alert for thunderstorms. Interior Northeast, marginal excessive rain Friday from showers and snowmelt. Elsewhere, much of the east and south remain quieter and drier. Travel impacts, hazardous in west, check roads and flights. Safety tips, prepare for outages, avoid flooded roads in northwest. Pattern continues active in west through Friday. Monitor updates from Impact Weather for evolving risks. Recap: heavy West Coast rain, snow, winds, nationwide hazards. Stay safe and weather aware. Subscribe for more national updates. Hit the bell. Thanks for watching. Good night.